Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you the last technology tips and trick to make your life easier. We will be discussing how to download ChatGPT on your Windows. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your browser. For example, I have Google Chrome browser. Then on the search bar on the top, tap ChatGPT. Then guys, open the official link of ChatGPT. As you see guys, this is the ChatGPT website. If you want to make it a dark mode, just on the left side, the bottom tap on dark mode. As you see guys, the ChatGPT on the dark mode. Then guys, if you want to add it on your Windows laptop or computer, just follow these steps. First guys, go directly on the top. There is 3 dots on the top, on the right side on the top. Then tap on these 3 dots and scroll down to more tools. As you see guys, this is more tools. Then go directly to create shortcut. Then tap on create shortcut. As you see guys, on the search bar, tap the chat, for example chat GPT. Then guys, tap and click on create ChatGPT. As you see guys, your ChatGPT was added on your laptop or computer. As you see guys, it's very easy. If you want to open it again, just double click. It will take you automatically to ChatGPT website. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.